Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So first time nating mag-unbox ng action figure. So this is our first in our line of collection. Stepping out a little bit sa ating main line of Funko Pops, NBA cards, Pokemon cards, anime cards, and signed items. So let's try and let's open this. First in our line of collection, Bandai Namco Ban Presto Naruto Yin version of Kurama. So, let's go and check kung anong quality niya and anong mga features ang meron kumpara sa mga regular size action figures. So, merong dalawang version nitong Kurama, Yin at Yang. So, sa atin yung kay Minato. And we will try to find the Naruto version maybe a little bit later of the month pag may budget na tayo. Pero ito yung nakuha natin. And again, Bandai Namco, Ban Presto brand to. So, medyo mabigat siya. And meron siyang authentication seal. So, legit. So, let's go. Let's check kung anong meron tayo sa loob. And we are now opening the box. The box feels premium. So, sa box pa lang, napaka-premium na ng feeling nito. Not compared with kung bibili kayo ng mga bootleg or mga fake na sa box pa lang mafe-feel nyo na hindi siya ganun ka quality kasi fake nga, di ba? But as you open this, meron siyang second line of protection which is another box inside. And inside of that box, nandun yung several parts ng action figure and nakasealed yan with a plastic. So, tinatanggal na natin siya dun sa second line of protection niya na box. Medyo nahihirapan akong alisin, which is a good sign daw, sabi ni Cobb. Kasi pag mabilis siyang maalis sa box, meaning to say hindi ganun ka-fit yung mga parts and that symbolize fake, sabi ni Cobb. So as you can see, ayan na yung mga parts ni Kurama. Naka-sealed yan sa plastic and there are several inside. And don't take this long. Tara na guys, let's open this up. Let's see kung anong meron sa loob, ano yung quality niya, and let's assemble. So as you open the plastic, there will be total of 5 parts for the Kurama. So merong tails, and another tails, and meron tayong placer, plus yung main body ni Kurama. So merong tail part, and as you can see, yung quality niya, premium na premium talaga, kahit less than 1,000 pesos lang yung binayaran natin dito sa Big Boys. So, kita nyo naman yung pagkaka-create, pagkaka-craft ng mga tails, and itong base niya napaka-simple lang, pero molded siya when it comes to the main frame. So, ito yung main body ni Kurama. The details are quite amazing. So, dyan mo ilalagay yung tails, pero gusto ko yung details nito. Kita nyo naman, the teeth, the fangs, the ears, the eyes, the claw, and even the main frame as it is. Talagang premium feeling and napakaganda. So, i-assemble na natin siya para makita na natin kung ano yung end product pag assembled na si Kurama. So, nung ina-assemble ko siya, medyo mahirap siyang ikabit for me kasi as you know, I have this situation and condition, right? Pero hindi naman siya ganun kahirap ikabit kasi nga fit na fit yung mga parts. Well, mostly the tail. Tail lang naman yung ikakabit natin dito eh. Pero yung buntot ni Kurama, it's really fitting to the hole where it's supposed to be. So as per Cobb, pag ganun yung scenario, legit or authentic yung figure. Kasi kung bootleg yan or fake, talagang loose, maluwag, or hindi siya pumapasok. So, nakabit ko na yung buntot, which is the main parts of this action figure. And ito na yung final result. So, as you can see, napakaangas ng pagkaka-mold, napakaangas ng pagkakagawa, and ang gandang tignan pag-assemble na siya. So, ilalagay ko siya sa placer to see kung ano yung pwede nating style. So, iba-iba yung pwede mong gawin eh. Pwedeng ikabit mo yung kamay niya, like, nagsisira siya ng something. Pero, overall, ito yung itsura nung Bandai Ban Presto Kurama version na kay Mina to. So, for the price itself, maganda. For the price itself, napaka-premium ng quality. So, ayan yung picture na pinicture ko kanina. Napakaganda talaga. So, ayun lang naman for me guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating channel. See you guys later. See ya.